Okay, fluid power consists of two components mainly, and it's not what everybody thinks. When people hear fluid power, they instantly think hydraulics. Well, it's not just hydraulics, it's also the study of air-powered tools like pneumatics.
All the machinery that we deal with mainly rely on hydraulic power to operate, and probably 40% of the machinery we have where I work also operate on pneumatics.
Well, a good example of fluid power being used in day-to-day life is the garbage truck that comes and collects your garbage. Completely hydraulic. The only thing that's not hydraulic on there is the actual main engine, which is where it derives its power from anyway. Just
about every machine we have at where I work requires either hydraulic or pneumatic power to operate. Without it, we wouldn't be able to make what we make. The course involves learning specifics about hydraulics and pneumatics, which is what I need as a third-year apprentice to further my education, I guess, so that I can look at a machine, decipher what actually is going on through the course of the program, to be able to troubleshoot problems, and that's what the main thing for me was, to be able to learn specifics about what's going on.
Well, it's given me a better understanding how the machines operate. So before not knowing anything how things are operated or how they actually work, it's given me a better understanding on how machinery does work and what it takes to do the job.
I had a reasonable amount of knowledge of pneumatics before I got here, but I had virtually nothing on hydraulics, and as far as NMIT has gone, my knowledge has gone from zero to extremely good, I consider, for the first year of teaching. I'm now pretty confident in going away and designing and building my own hydraulic circuit if I had to.
You're never too old to learn, so there's a great deal to learn. It's quite intense, really, and get your skills up on hydraulics, pneumatics, PLCs, so there's a great deal to learn.
The teachers here will let you figure it out on your own. They do encourage that, but they're definitely there if you get completely stuck. Their main focus is encouraging you to figure it out yourself, but their wealth of knowledge when you're completely stuck is invaluable.
Well, the teachers have been a great help, but when you've got classes that got 15, 16 students, so it depends on their time, but they're very helpful, so they give you as much knowledge as they can give you, you know what I mean? But it's up to you to do a lot of the research yourself as well too, so they are quite helpful and they steer you in the right direction as well.
To be able to pick up a pneumatic component, look at it and actually know what it is or what it does is a lot better than what I had before I started this course, which was to pick up a component and really know that it did something, but I didn't really know what it did or why it did it or how it did it. This course has taught me exactly that, so I'm not in the dark anymore. I know exactly what's going on at work.